In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the document size in Lucidchart, all within just 5 minutes. First things first, make your way over to Lucidchart's website. You'll need to be logged in to begin, so if you aren't already, go ahead and click on the login button. Once you've clicked, you might find yourself at a login interface asking for your email to enter, followed by your password. Take a moment here to type in your details accurately, and then hit next to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, the Lucidchart dashboard will greet you. This is where all your documents reside. To get started with fixing the document size, head over to your Documents area. This is a great chance to either open an existing project or start a fresh one. Let's say you opt for a new project. Simply click on New and select your preferred options from the list. If you decided to dive back into an existing project instead, locate the one you'd like to work on and click Open. Once your document is open and ready, you'll need access to the document settings. This is key to adjusting your document size, so right-click anywhere within your open document interface. If you're on a touchpad or using a mobile device, this may require a slightly altered method. Usually a two-finger tap does the trick on most devices. Within the popped-up menu upon right-clicking, you'll find Document Settings. Click on it to navigate into the Settings area. Here's where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your document. First up is the Canvas and Page section. It's essential here to ensure that you understand what each setting does, so take your time exploring. Next, you'll want to focus on the available unit options. In the Units section, make your desired changes that fit your project needs best. After setting up the units, move to the Size option. Adjusting these settings will define the specific dimensions of your Lucidchart document. Feel free to experiment until it suits your project requirements. With the document size adjusted, let's consider looking into the format, grid and snapping, spell check, and even commenting preferences if your project demands such tweaks. These settings can enhance the functionality and collaborative aspects of your document. Finally, take note of the lines and zoom settings. Properly setting these can significantly impact how your document appears and navigates visually. Once you're satisfied with all these adjustments, you'll find an exit option that allows you to wrap up your configuration changes. That sums up the quick guide to adjusting your document size in Lucidchart. By diving into each of these elements, you ensure your charts are tailored to your needs, whether for presentations, reports, or personal organization. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.